Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can revoke share files in private shared on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Next, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, we scroll down, and in here, tap on security and privacy. Next, scroll down to the bottom and tap on private share. Now open up the share message. And then in here, tap on the more button at the top. From the pop-up menu, tap on revoke share files. In the list here, go down and select the files that you want to revoke the shared. And then tap on revoke sharing. Then tap on revoke. And that's it. That will immediately cease the file sharing with that contact. And that's it. I think there is also an X button over here that you can tap on that will close the file that you have been revoking, so it will not show in the list anymore. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.